Today in this video I'll show you how to make a thumbnail for the YouTube video. So it's going to be simple thumbnail that you can create without taking much time. So let's go and see how to create a thumbnail for your video. So I normally create a thumbnail from CapCut. So just head to the CapCut. So once you are in the CapCut, then click on create. Then select the photo that you want to put in the thumbnail first. Then once the photo is here, so this is just a general picture I'm taking right now. So this is the dashboard of the CapCut. So here always choose the aspect ratio as 16:9 because that's for the YouTube thumbnail. So you can turn this photo like this. Then if you want to put another picture, just click on overlay, then add overlay. Then select another photo that you want to put a picture on the top of the picture. So simply overlay the picture that you can create on the top of another picture. So you can put it anywhere you want. So if you want to write a text, just write text, add text. Then here just write anything that you want to write. Maybe it is a vlog or something like how to. So once you write the text that you want to, just click on templates, then choose the template that you want to select. So this time I'm just gonna select flame, and then decrease the size you want to or increase it. And then you can select the fonts as well, how you are writing. Same like styles, effects. You can select the effects. If you want to make it like this, then it's gonna be like this. Then if you want to put a sticker, then you can put a sticker as well. Click on sticker. So here are a lot of stickers that you can put. So if you want to put an emoji, then just click on one of them, so it will come up. If you want to put an arrows thing, then everything is here. Then let's go back. Then let's go to the right and see what are the other options. You can click on filters and choose the filters that you want. If you want to put a filters, you can also adjust the color variance and brightness and everything. So for example, on brilliance, you can do like this. It's going to make more whiter. So you can try all these different options here. So simply if it's once it's ready, everything thumbnail is ready, then simply screenshot the thumbnail, then crop the desired things. Then you can save it on the phone and you can use this picture as a thumbnail on the YouTube video. So this is how you put or create a thumbnail for the YouTube video. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like, comment and share the video and subscribe the channel. I'll see you in another video. Thank you. Bye.